Welcome to GK class children. In the previous class we have completed with our 8th lesson. So today we are going to start with our 9th lesson, that is about myself. About myself means you have to write about yourself in your term. So what they have given, so they open your page number 270 children. Yes, so here about myself they are given. So everybody you have to write about your own self. Yes, so here they have given the warm up. Which is your favorite game? Yes, which is your favorite game? You have to write by yourself. Yes, what is your, everybody will play games, no? Yes, everyone, without playing no child will be there, no one will be there in the home. See, even myself, when I was small, I used to play. Yes, so you are also playing many different games, no? So from all those games, which one you like more, that game you write beside that warm up. Okay, next you have the first question as, what is your name? Yes, what is your first question? What is your name? Yes, so here they have given the space. What is your name? Yes, by reading you will be knowing your name. By reading the question only you will say, my name is this teacher. Yes, no? So you have to write your name here. Yes, with the initial, with the neat handwriting, you write your name here. Okay. Next, second one, what you have? You have, where do you live? Yes, where do you live? In which place you are living? Yes, where you are living. See, every one of you will live in different place. Yes, so what is the area? What is the place name you are living? That name of the place you write there. Okay, so now see the second one here. What is the full name of your school? See, what is the full name of your school? Yes, you know what is your school full name? Yes, we'll say KMHS. KMHS, no, but it is not the full name. What is the full name of your school? It is Kamala Memorial High School. So you have to write your school complete name. Kamala Memorial High School you have to write. Okay. Now see the next fourth one you have. What is the name of your class teacher? What is the name of your class teacher? Yes, so when you were, see what is the name of your class teacher? See, previously last year you have come to school, so you had your class teacher. Now because of this pandemic you are not coming to school, so you know your class teacher name? Don't know. So what you will do, you write your subject teacher name. Your GK teacher, no? GK teacher, subject teacher name you write. Okay? Yes. So instead of your class teacher you can write your subject teacher name also there. Okay? So next you have the fifth question. Next, the fifth question you have. What is your best friend's name? Yes. So what is your fifth question? You have to write your, what is your best friend's name? Your best friend's name you can write. So not only in the class, you can see when you used to come, you used to have many best friends in your classroom, no? Yes. So now you are not coming, but if your friends are staying nearby your house, in your tuition or anywhere, whoever you feel like your best friend, their name you can write here. Okay. Now see the next sixth one you have here. do you like the most? Yes, now you are staying in the home, you will play many sports, no? Yes, outside the outdoor games, many you will play sports. Yes, from all those sports, you write any one of your favorite, which one you like most, the favorite sport you can write here. Which sport do you like the most? Which one you like more, that sport, one sport name you can write. Okay, next the seventh one. Who is your favorite superhero? Superhero. Yes. Who is your superhero? Yes. So, in your feeling, who will be your favorite superhero? Who will be your superhero? You have to write their name. So who will like most as a superhero? You have to write that person name here. Okay, without spelling mistakes, you have to write your superhero name here. Next you have the eighth one. Eighth one you have what is your hobby? What is your hobby? Hobby in the sense when you will feel free, what you like to do more. So what you will like to do, like watching TV, games, painting, drawing, reading, writing. So what you like most? Which one you like to do when you are free? So you write your hobby here. So which one you like to do, that hobby you write here. So this one is completely about yourself. First you have to write your name, where do you live, which place of living. Next you have to write your school name, full school name you have to write, name of your class teacher name, if you know you can write, if not your subject teacher name also you can write. Next you have to write your best friend's name. Next, what is your favorite sport, which sport you like most you have to write. Next you have favorite superhero, who is your favorite superhero, you can write. Next your hobby, also you have to write. In the next page, you can see your next page. Now you have the other bit. See, turn the page, next turn the side. See your right side you have, it is very important to know your house address and phone number. Write them here. See here they have given space for writing your house address and phone number. Yes. So yes, so every one of you should know your house address. Yes, so how you have to write your house address? See, line 1 you have to write where you will be. Yes, with the house number, colony. Yes, and street name, road number. Yes, whatever you have to write here. Then landmark, what is the identification of that place, little famous in that area, the landmark you have to write. Then city, which city you are living, Hyderabad. Yes, state, in which state you are living, Telangana, you have to write that. Phone number you have to write. Phone number means you will not have phones, no, but mommy and daddy will have phones. So both father and mother, if both they are having phones, you should learn both of their phone numbers. Yes, so you have to write their phone numbers also. You have to learn phone number. If you are missed somewhere, you should be able to say to someone that someone, and you should be able to call to your parents also. Like that, you should know the phone numbers and you should know the address of your house also. If you are missed, you can, if someone asks what is your address, you, yes, so you should be able to say them. Yes, you should know about yourself completely, and your address, your phone numbers, your parents name, grandparents name, about all of them you should know. Yes, so you ask your mummy and daddy about all these things and complete your lesson number 9. So in this lesson number 9 you have, in one page you have complete of yourself, like your name, hobbies, school name, your favorite game, yes, favorite sports, yes, and your hobbies, everything you have of in one page, and in the other page you have of address. Yes, so I said already, you have to fill all this with neat and clean handwriting. Okay, you should not see, whenever you are writing first only, you should think carefully and you have to write neatly and correct. Don't write wrong and use eraser more. If you use eraser more, or if you erase more number of times, your paper gets spoiled. Yes, so when you are writing only, you think and write carefully. Okay, so by this we have finished this ninth lesson. Write the complete information whatever I have explained here. Yes, so I will meet you in the next class with the new lesson.